Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this video. I want you to watch what is coming next. And this is a video about how to service your earbuds which has a problem. So it's gonna demonstrate somebody whom I'm doing a collab with. So to show you how to repair a broken wire. When the wire is broken inside, you of course you will not know it's broken, but suppose that is the case, how to fix it. Okay, and the brand thing is this one. I'm not going to unbox it. It's called this one. Yeah, it's given the name here, pro something, and of course I'm hiding some stuff on this one. I don't know whether you're seeing it. Yeah, I'm not going to unbox this one. This one's sealed, but this is the one that is being serviced. So I want you to watch what is happening. So let's watch it. Okay. Yeah. Hello guys, we are going to change this iPad. It has a battery problem, so I want you to observe and see how it works. Yeah, the mechanic is just opened it, and you can see what it's doing. These are buds. This is buds. Air Pro, the name, the brand name. So there is opening it. It has a battery problem, so it's going to change the battery. There is opening it. Yeah, you can see what it's doing. It's opening it. Maybe I stay back a little bit so that you can have the total coverage of it. Yeah, you see what it's doing. It's opening it, removing the battery, which is not okay. It's a very busy marketplace, so many customers are coming and who wants to be attended. And we hear crackers because it's a festival season here. Okay, there is showing you. It's showing you. Let me bring it closer.
तुम्हारी कितनी लेनी है हमारी हटा के
I don't know about the clarity of the. I hope you are seeing it properly. That is taking off the clip, the wire. There is applying the iron to it. Okay. Yeah. It's opening the back. It's applying the iron. It's applying the iron there. It's removing the battery. It's removing the battery. That battery is not working. Actually, it's finished, I guess. So he has to replace the battery. And that's what it's doing. Yeah. ये नया battery.
Broken tar.
The brand.
Broken.
Oh, it's broken. He's saying it's broken. So it's trying to fix it. The wire is broken from the battery. The battery okay?
Battery okay.
The battery is okay. On the wire is broken. So it's fixing it. Let me take it close so that you can see exactly the process. It's applying the wire. applying the wire there, the iron, sorry. There, just fix the iron, the wire to the battery. Yeah. So see what he's doing. He's fixing back the holder, which holds the battery in place. He's looking, trying to fit it properly. Try to fix it properly. Yeah. I hope you are seeing everything. You can see light is coming from there. LED light. And it's moving a tape. I think it was held by a tape. And he's putting. क्या है वो? Metal. That's a metal that holds it. Yeah, guys, I talk Hindi slightly. I'm asking him. It's fully Hindi. He knows Hindi. Nothing English, so I'm trying to translate to you guys. So there is applying the tape to hold the battery, and is putting it back with the tape again. क्या ये टेप क्या क्यों रखो क्या फायदा?
डॉक्टर टेप
हाँ
कागज का टेप
कागज टेप क्या फंक्शन क्या मतलब फंक्शन व्हाट्स यूज क्या यूज है होल्डिंग बस okay this tape is just to hold it does no any function and is fixing the jack LED is lighting as bright as ever which shows that it's really now working. He's fixing it back. He's fixing it back. He's putting back in the power bank. It has made some sound. Now I guess it's done. So he's going to test and see whether it's working. Light is there. It's coming red. I don't know whether you can see it. You can't see it, but there's more red point. You see that green light? And when it closes it comes red. That means it's working now. Okay. Now he's putting the ears to check the sounds. Says it's okay. So yeah man. So it looks that it's done. So the problem was the wire. The wire was broken. So he put it back, and now it's working very fine. Yeah, so that's how you can change. You can fix your buds in case the wire is broken, and it will be in a functional state. The battery was okay. Only the wire was a problem. First, you have to check it first before you can do anything. So guys, this is simple. It's not simple, it's the process involved. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll bring in more stuff like how to change the speaker and all. But for today, it was the wire that was broken, and I've shown you the process. Okay guys, stay tuned. Bye. See you later. Bye.